Literally.
What's that noise?
I know.
What are you doing with my glove?
I know you got me going through your golf bag again, and I found the cutest little glove. Is this what it's for?
No, it's for this.
Take that.
Sorry.
Yeah, you will be.
Oh. Oh,
Is it a workman's comp claim, possibly?
It could be. I would check into that.
Okay, so only one glove?
Only one glove.
Is that because it feels like a stranger?
Yeah. It's to protect my hand.
I know you like to keep them so soft.
No, it's actually a Bionic.
Okay.
Makes me feel like a $6 million man.
Well, that's about how much you spend golfing a year, so it makes sense, yeah.
No, so it's actually has these built-in grooves, speed bumps.
Cool.
Feel them.
No, I smelled that glove. I don't want to get any closer to it.
No, it has these ridges that keep you're supposedly more in line.
Show them. Show them the ridges in the glove.
Oh.
See? Oh, look at that.
See?
Cool.
Speed bumps, ridges.
Yeah.
And then a palm swell.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I bet you like it when your palm swells.
Yeah.
God, what's wrong with me?
I don't know. It's Monday.
Yeah. It's a good start to the week.
Yeah, exactly. No, so it's just a great piece of kit.
Yeah. Cool.
Sounded like a brick when I say great piece of kit.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
you
Well,
stick it.
it's a good shot. Good talk. Bye.